If you're a woodworker, contractor, or weekend DIYer, a jigsaw is one of the most versatile tools you can have in your arsenal. In this video, we're reviewing the top 5 jigsaws on Amazon that deliver smooth, clean, and accurate cuts across a variety of materials. Let's start with the Bosch JS470 EA7 amp top handle jigsaw, a corded classic that has earned its reputation as a staple in woodworking shops. This saw features a powerful 7 amp motor with variable speed settings up to 3,100 strokes per minute, making it ideal for cutting through everything from soft pine to hardwood and plywood. The internal precision machined plunging system reduces vibration and keeps the blade moving smoothly, which results in cleaner, straighter lines. What really sets it apart is Bosch's toolless blade change system, which allows for quick blade swaps without slowing down your workflow. The ergonomic handle and low vibration design ensure all-day comfort, making it a go-to for anyone who values both control and endurance in their toolset. Next up is the DeWalt 20-volt Max XR Brushless Jigsaw DCS 335B, a cordless model that combines mobility with professional-level precision. Powered by DeWalt's XR brushless motor, this jigsaw delivers up to 3,200 strokes per minute, while maintaining low vibration and a quiet operation. Its barrel grip design allows for excellent control, particularly when working on curved cuts or scroll work. One of the standout features is the variable speed trigger, giving you precise control over the blade speed, along with a 4-position orbital action for aggressive cutting when needed. It's perfect for trim carpenters, furniture makers, and anyone who wants freedom from cords without sacrificing cutting performance. If you're looking for a compact yet capable jigsaw, the Makita XVJ03Z18VLXT cordless jigsaw is an excellent choice. This model balances portability and performance with a 3,000 SPM cutting speed and a lightweight design that's easy to maneuver. It also features 3 orbital settings, toolless blade changes, and an onboard LED light to illuminate your work area. The barrel grip fits comfortably in your hand, and its low noise output makes it ideal for indoor projects. It's particularly useful for cabinetry, interior trim work, or any application where clean, controlled cuts matter more than brute force. Professionals appreciate the quality construction and efficient battery usage, making this Makita model a reliable everyday companion. For those who need more power and a higher stroke rate, the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 2737B barrel grip jigsaw stands out. With speeds of up to 3,500 strokes per minute and Milwaukee's signature brushless motor, this jigsaw cuts through hardwood, MDF, and plywood with ease. The soft start motor helps maintain accuracy from the first second of each cut, while the variable speed dial and orbital settings give users fine-tuned control. It also features an LED light, tool-free bevel adjustment, and a dust blower for improved visibility. The M18 battery platform ensures long run times and compatibility with other Milwaukee tools. If you're working on job sites or need a heavy-duty cordless model for daily use, this one is a top-tier pick. Finally, if precision is your #1 priority, look no further than the Festool Carvex PSB420 corded jigsaw. This is the premium option on our list, and for good reason. With a brushless motor that delivers up to 3,800 strokes per minute, it's engineered for ultra-smooth operation and pinpoint control. What makes this model unique is the triple blade guidance system and splinter guard that help eliminate blade deflection, keeping your cuts clean and accurate, even through dense materials. Festool's interchangeable base system allows you to switch between base plates for different cutting applications, while its dust extraction system keeps your line of sight clear. Yes, it's the most expensive model on the list, but for professional cabinet makers, finish carpenters, and furniture builders, the precision and build quality are unmatched. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more expert reviews on woodworking tools and smart buying guides.